Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. Got a quick one for you today. Where is the filter for your heating and air conditioning system on a forced air system? This one here is an air handler. It's possible this filter can be in a couple different places, but let me show you the most common one. Look right down below here. This is a filter grate. To open it, there's two tabs. You just simply pull and pull. Let it down slowly and gently, and there's your filter right there. There you go. Hey, a nice thing to do, look at this one right here. They put the date on it, so you know about every 3 months you can take a look, see how dirty it is. This one's still relatively clean. Definitely starting to get dirty though, so this system gets run quite a bit. And then all you do is, and by the way, when you go to replace it, if you look, it'll always tell you the size. This is a 14 by 24 by 1. Super common size, and they're also directional, so it'll tell you airflow going in this arrow right here. Another good way to think of it too is, right, so the air is going to get sucked in through this thing. When you see a filter like this, see how it has this metal reinforcement. The metal reinforcement will always go on the back side that's getting sort of sucked in. It's basically just to reinforce it. So now we'll just put it all back together. We'll close it up, close up our tabs. These lock in place. Do that about every 3 to 4 months. Now, if you hardly run the system, you can go longer, or if you're running it like crazy, then you might do it even sooner than that. This is a really great way to save some money though. You don't need to have a technician come out to do that for you. You should be able to change your own filters. If you don't see it right below your furnace like this, look up. Sometimes these will be up on the ceiling, and they're usually relatively close to the furnace or air handler, which is this equipment here. Hey friends, if today's video helped you out, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you next time.